Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add music for your Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and make sure that you are signed in or logged in with your account. And after that, you need to make sure that you are stay in the home section. If you are stay in the home section, you can just slide your screen into the right side so that you will have an access into the story camera or story sections. And here is the story camera, and after that you need to find the picture of the content that you want to use for the Instagram story right here. And after that, to add the music, you need to take a look on this upper sides here. There will be like several sections that we can access, and to add the music, go click this part, and the Instagram will be bringing you to a lot of music collections that they provide to you, and then you just need to choose the correct music that can be applied into your account. Let's say it is. And after you got the best music that you want, you can also adjust in the style of the music that you want to, and after that go click done. And that is the way how to add music on Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.